Shericka Jackson's season opener at the Queen's Grace Jackson meet marks a promising return to form for one of the most dominant sprinters in modern athletics. Despite a challenging 2024 season, punctuated by her withdrawal from the Paris Olympics due to injury, her performance in the 60 meters signals that she's back with intent and determination to reclaim her place at the top of the sprinting world. Running a 7.18 seconds opener is quite solid, especially coming off an injury. While it's a shorter distance than her usual 100-meter and 200-meter specialties, it highlights her explosive power and speed. Given Shericka's track record and her ability to bounce back from setbacks, it's fair to say the world should indeed keep an eye on her. Her versatility and resilience have already placed her in the history books, and this comeback performance suggests she's hungry for more. If she continues to build on this momentum and stays healthy, it's likely we'll see her back to dominating in the 2025 season. Her second-place finish in the 60 meters may not have been a victory, but it was an impressive comeback. The race was won by her compatriot Jodine Williams, who clocked 7.15 seconds, with Jonelle Smith finishing third in 7.21 seconds. For Jackson, this race wasn't just about winning. It was about testing her fitness and putting a turbulent 2024 season behind her. Her start was decent, and her acceleration throughout the race showed glimpses of the speed and power that have made her a global superstar. Shericka Jackson's achievements are unmatched in their diversity. She's the only sprinter in the World Championship history to earn medals in the 100-meter, 200-meter, and 400-meter events. Her 2 gold medals in the 200 meters at the 2022 Eugene World Championships and the 2023 Budapest World Championships cemented her dominance in that distance. However, her versatility extends far beyond the 200-meter. In her early career, she excelled in the 400 meters, earning a bronze medal at the 2016 Rio Olympics and multiple medals at the World Championships. Her withdrawal from the Paris Olympics was a significant disappointment, both for her fans and for Jamaica, which has a rich history in sprinting. Reports suggested that a minor Achilles tendon injury was the reason for her absence. The decision to sit out likely prevented more severe damage, preserving her career for future success. Jackson's performance at the Queen's Grace Jackson meet suggests she has fully recovered and is gearing up for a strong 2025 season. While the 60 meters isn't her primary event, it's a valuable way for sprinters to build speed and explosiveness during the indoor season. Her time of 7.18 seconds is competitive and provides a solid foundation for her outdoor campaign in the 100 meters and 200 meters later this year. Her coach has expressed satisfaction with her current health and fitness, which is a positive sign. If she continues to build momentum, she could dominate the sprints once again, especially as she sets her sights on the 2025 World Championships. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Given her track record, there's every reason to believe Shericka Jackson will return to her winning ways. Her combination of speed, power, and mental toughness has already brought her unparalleled success in the past. With the injury seemingly behind her and a strong performance to open the season, she is poised to challenge for gold in the 100-meter and 200-meter again. However, the competition will be fierce. Rising stars like Julien, Alfred, and Gabrielle, who capitalized on her absence at the Paris Olympics, will be eager to maintain their positions at the top. Looking ahead, Jackson's immediate focus will likely be on sharpening her form in preparation for outdoor meets. If she stays healthy, the 2025 season could see her reclaim her dominance, particularly in the 200-meter, where she holds the second fastest time in history, 21.45 seconds. Her resilience and determination have always been defining traits, and they will undoubtedly drive her quest for more titles this year. Check out this video on Shericka Jackson's shocking setback and the comeback everyone's waiting for. The clock is ticking. What do you think about Shericka Jackson's comeback? Do you believe her strong 7.18 seconds finish in the 60 meters signals a return to her winning ways? And can she reclaim her dominance in the 100 meter and 200 meter this season? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your predictions and opinions could spark an exciting conversation about the future of this incredible sprinter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on Shericka Jackson and the world of Caribbean athletics. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of action. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Set. In the set position. Off it goes. Very, very good start by Shericka Jackson. Natasha Morrison is on the premises. Tom Sahira is knocking on the door as well. Step forward, Shericka Jackson imperiously, and she steps away in great style to become back-to-back national champion.
10.65!
10.65! Wow, what a performance!
As I said, it's a combination of a lot of stuff, and as I said, Coach and I made that decision not to contest the 100 meter, and I think we're pretty happy with that. So,
what's the injury status like? We saw you pull up in your previous race. Haven't seen you compete since then. Are you 100% fit now?
Honestly, I was only supposed to compete in that event, and as Coach stated, we only run a few races in Europe, and I think that was the only race all of us was supposed to run, because after that, no persons that going to the Olympic had competed. So I think I'm pretty good. I'm in pretty good shape, and I'm okay.
The season opener we've been waiting for. Shericka Jackson off to a fine start. Tina Clayton also traveling well. Shericka Jackson on the outside. Tina Clayton in the top two. 11 seconds flat. Oh yes, we've been waiting and she has delivered.
With all honesty, if you realize I'm not looking too sad right now, I'm okay, you know. Sometimes you have to prepare mentally, especially if you have a mess-up where you get a little bit of hurt, you have to really think about what if, you know. And I think, as I said, it's a decision we're comfortable with, so we're okay.
A final question, how confident are you about the 200?
I'm always confident, whether it's 100 or 200. It's something that you go out there, you don't go out there like, oh, what if? Or what if I don't win or what not?
I'm really, really excited. Our first gold medal, national record, and a personal best and a championship record. I'm so grateful. Yes, we're hoping for 1, 2, 3, but Dina is a Jamaican, so we'll take that for now.
Shericka, that was a very fast anchor. How are you feeling about that performance?
I felt pretty good out there. I wanted to get there, but unfortunately tonight we were second, and as a team we are grateful for the silver medal, because we couldn't have gotten any, but we got silver tonight, so we are grateful.
And for you as well, 3 medals, a gold and 2 silver. How are you feeling about that performance?
I'm feeling good. I'm actually feeling good. Last year I left with 3 medals from the Olympic, but it wasn't individually. So.